Now, I want to show you how you can connect or concatenate different values. Here I have cells A and B, Tech AI, Ladybug, Excel tips and tricks, and I'd like to bring them together in one cell. I'm going to show two different ways you can do this. You can use the concatenate function to pull these together. You simply type in concat, and here select concat, and then you could type the first value. I'm going to insert a comma because I want a space between them, so I'll insert a quote, space quote, another comma, and now I'll select the value in B1 and close my parentheses. This now concatenates those values, but there is an even easier way in Microsoft Excel. Instead, I'm going to type in Tech AI, because this is what I want it to look like in cell C1. Now, instead of entering a formula, I simply drag this down. Now, currently, it says Tech AI. If I click on this little icon, I can apply a flash fill. And here, what Excel does is it detects how I merge these two values, and it does the same thing as I flash filled down, so I don't even need to use a formula anymore to connect cells.